Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make custard ice cream. It's a very delicious treat for your kids and family. So let's start. So here I'm taking full fat milk and custard powder. You can take any brand of custard powder, whichever you like or prefer, and whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, and of course sugar. So we are going to use these ingredients to make the custard ice cream. So let's get started. Here I'm taking a non-stick pan to make custard. I'm pouring 1 liter of milk and I'm going to warm this milk. I'm going to put it on a stove, and until it's get warm I'm going to take a bowl, and in that I'm going to take milk. Any quantity of milk that fills the bowl is enough, and the milk should be at room temperature, and to that I'm going to add 1/4 cup of custard powder. The main reason for the milk to be at the room temperature is that the powder should not make any kind of lumps. So this is how the custard powder should thoroughly blend in the milk. Now after we prepared this custard powder with room temperature milk, we are going to add sugar to the hot milk, and here I'm using around 2 cups of sugar, and sugar quantity is totally up to you. If you like more sweet, you can add more. If you like less sweet, you can add less amount of sugar. And then after mixing the sugar, we are going to gradually add the custard milk which we prepared. Now you can see that the milk color is changing to yellow, and even the consistency of the milk have become little solid. So this is how we prepare the custard as usual, and we are going to cool down this custard at a room temperature. Now once it is cooled down, we are going to freeze this custard. You can use any container. I'm using a tray here. After freezing this for 2-3 hours, I'm going to grind these cubes. These are around 1 cup and 1/4 cup of amount of cubes, and to this I'm going to add around 2/3 cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of sugar. Now after adding these 3 ingredients, we are going to simply blend this, and after blending it thoroughly, we are going to place this. You can check the consistency, and we are going to place this in a container, and we are going to freeze it again. You can put on the lid, or you can even cover with a plastic wrench like this, and you have to freeze this for another 2-3 hours. And after freezing, this is how it looks like. To make it smooth and silky, we are going to remove this from the container, and we are going to blend it again. And this is the last time we are going to blend, and after blending it for 4 to 5 minutes, you can see that the ice cream is smooth and silky. So guys, you can see that our custard ice cream is ready to serve. It's very delicious and very easy to make, and you can sprinkle this with multicolor sprinklers, or you can even use fresh fruit depending on your kids' choice or preferences. So guys, this is how I make custard ice cream. Hope you all find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching.